This 2026 Thor Motor Coach Geneva 28 VT is a Class C RV. It is located in Dover, Florida, 33527 and is offered for sale by Airstream of Tampa. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2026 Thor Motor Coach Geneva 28 VT is built on a Ford E-Series chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.